8 enormous vertical shafts, each descending far deeper than any known chamber on the plateau. According to the data, these cylindrical shafts extended downwards for over 2,100 feet, nearly twice the height of the Eiffel Tower. Their scale was staggering, but it wasn't just the depth, it was the uniformity. The shafts appeared intentionally shaped, their walls too smooth, too consistent, to be natural fault lines or collapsed wells. This was design, not coincidence. The team was stunned. Vertical structures of this depth and size beneath the pyramids were not just unexpected, they were unprecedented. But that wasn't all. The SAR data revealed something even more astonishing. Around the perimeter of several of these shafts were spiral-like formations, gently curling downward in an elegant, methodical motion. As the scans became more detailed, these formations began to resolve themselves into what could only be interpreted as spiral staircases, winding downward along the walls of the shafts like ancient corkscrews into the earth. This detail changed everything. Staircases suggest access. They imply intention, construction, use. The team speculated that these spirals may have once provided physical passage deep beneath the surface. Their scale, massive, broad, and uniform, suggested they weren't symbolic or decorative. These were built to be used, and the depth they reached implied a descent into something significant. An entire underground complex hidden beneath Egypt's pyramids. Using radar technology, the team described vast chambers, spiraling staircases, long corridors. If true, the mental image becomes almost cinematic. Ancient figures, perhaps priests, engineers, or initiates, making their way down those spiraling paths by torchlight, vanishing into the stone corridors of a subterranean world lost to memory. And then the chambers came into view. At the base of 2 of the shafts, the radar revealed structures unlike anything yet known on the plateau, cube-shaped chambers 80 meters wide on each side. These were not narrow corridors or crude caves. These were enormous rooms, constructed, perhaps, with mathematical precision. Each chamber was almost the size of a modern city block, perfectly square, with clear edges and consistent depth. It was, as the researchers described, as though someone had carved a geometric vault directly into the living bedrock. But for what? Theories flooded the research team as they examined the data.